That radio, they're tracking the car to South Gordon and hold on, stand by. Check the area, South Gordon and Westmead.
The area that copied that location?
It's right there. I'm gonna go look.
Yeah, I want to go ahead. You're up, look around Oglethorpe and Evans Street.
I got the car, Peoples and RDA.
Peoples on.
Yes.
Yeah, information of GSP radio.
Go.
You cut off on Peoples.
Give me the air. Peoples northbound towards Oak Street. GSP is behind him. GSP pit. Show me your fucking hands. Get the fuck out the car. Open the fucking door. Open the fucking door.
You're trying to kill us. You're trying to kill us. Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill us. Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill me. Why would y'all do that, man?
Get out.
Please don't go. Don't beat me up, man. Listen, don't get on that. Y'all trying to kill me. Don't fight me, man.
Get on the ground.
Don't fight me. Stop, don't fight me. He don't stop on the fight me. He don't stop on the fight me. Please, stop. Please.
Put your hands down.
Please. I don't know how to actually ran into us. He hit us. That's messed up. He hit us. Trying to kill us. He hit us. That's messed up. Oh, please understand me.
And one thing for you, GSP. Appreciate you coming over also. Over here.
He hit us. That's messed up.
2144 radio. Supervisor out on the 21.
See, come here. I can show you where she's at. I can show you. The car is in the car. My son is in the car. Please, yes.
Okay, you did good.
No.
You did a good job. Man.
No.
You did a good job.
Excuse me.
You okay?
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna take you to your mom. You all right? You okay?
My mom called you?
Yeah, she did.
Okay.
She did.
Excuse me.